A live look now at Cape Canaveral. The United Launch Alliance is preparing to launch its Delta IV rocket. The rocket is carrying a $566 million military communications satellite. Delta IV was supposed to lift off Wednesday night, but bad weather delayed the launch then. Let's listen in.
23.
SRM TVC blowdown.
15.
Roll for ignition.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition. 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the 7th WGS satellite for the United States Air Force. The wideband global SATCOM satellite provides significantly increased capacity for our nation's leaders, warfighters, and international partners.
Maximum SRM chamber pressure now. Coming up 30 seconds. 34 seconds, Mach 1, vehicle now going transonic. Passing 40 seconds, altitude 3.7 nautical miles. 45 seconds, maximum dynamic pressure, max Q on the vehicle. 50 seconds in. Altitude 6.38 nautical miles, velocity 2,532 feet per second, downrange distance 4.43 nautical miles. 1 minute into the flight.
You are hearing the voice of Steve Agate providing launch vehicle Ascent data.
Miles, velocity 3,646 feet per second, downrange distance 7.44 nautical miles. Standing by for a solid rocket motor burnout, about 10 seconds from now. And we have burnout, standing by for SEP. And we have separation. 4 solid rocket motors have separated. 1 minute, 50 seconds in. Delta vehicle now weighs half of what it weighed at launch, expelling propellant at the rate of 1,945 pounds per second. 2 minutes into the flight. Altitude now passing 35.5 nautical miles. Velocity 6,443 feet per second. Downrange distance 34 nautical miles. 2 minutes. 14 seconds in. Past Mach 5.
All right, you've been watching what appears to be a successful launch of the Delta IV rocket from Cape Canaveral. It's the Air Force's 7th wideband global SATCOM spacecraft. What that means is it's going to provide more satellite capabilities, especially for U.S. troops in the field. Once again, a successful launch tonight for the Delta IV rocket.